Let's explore how to add assets using the CSV file method, which is ideal when adding multiple assets at once. Click on Add Item located at the top right corner of the page and select the Import from CSV option. On the displayed page, choose the category in which the asset needs to be added and then download the sample CSV file by clicking on the CSV file here option. Open the downloaded CSV file and enter all the required details for the multiple assets into their respective columns. After filling in the data, save the CSV file and proceed to upload it. With the CSV file uploaded successfully, click on Next to continue. On the column matching page, ensure the columns correspond with the data entered in the CSV file. Click on the Show Only Mandatory toggle button to view only the mandatory fields. After completing this step, click on Import to begin importing the CSV file. Once the CSV file is successfully imported, click on Proceed with Valid Records to add the necessary assets. A pop-up will confirm that the CSV file has been uploaded and the assets will be added to the selected category.